Hey there, I'm Michelle, co-founder of GMBAPI.com. I'm thrilled to guide you through our powerful platform here at the GMB API Academy. We've got a treasure trove of videos designed just for you, detailing how you can use the features and functions of GMBAPI.com to increase your local visibility, brand and reputation. To start off, here's an overview of our dashboard, which provides you with all the key business insights, KPIs such as impressions and actions.
At the top of the dashboard, we have your time period options: last month, last week, last 3 months, and last 6 months. Our default view is last month. All of our graphs are customizable via date range and downloadable via CSV or as an image. If your locations are grouped via labeling structure, you can select the relevant groups here. Moving down, you'll discover headline metrics from the last month, providing a quick overview of critical information that may require your attention. These include total impressions, total actions, unanswered reviews, day since last post, and unverified listings. Also featured is an account completeness score, showcasing the overall completeness of your total locations. This score is based on attributes available for each location on Google Business Profile. It evaluates whether essential details like name, city, address, phone, website, opening hours, description, category, and subcategories have been filled in. Next, we have performance metrics. Our easy-to-read graphs show impressions through mobile search, desktop maps, and mobile maps. You can customize this with date range and download the information. Additionally, you can explore actions taken by users, including direction clicks, website clicks, and call clicks. Via the Impressions to Actions feature, you can gain insights into the ratio of actions to impressions per location. To the left, you'll find a sidebar offering easy access to a more in-depth analysis of your account. From a comprehensive location overview to managing reviews and exploring search keywords, everything you need is a click away.